I'm in this industry for the adrenaline of it, the fun of it. Nothing beats it.
It's a great way of not only understanding yourself and your culture, also like the world around you.
The fact that I can work with food and bring people together and travel the world through food is why I'm so passionate about it.
I remember like the first time I made something from scratch, my mom told me, she's like, "You're never making a box cake again."
Food, it brings people together, it can help people overcome hard conversations.